Yesaya amazina ninye Ronald Bataringa ya ninga shiyo benji bakumanka DM swaga kandi tujya Nkore Media TV nija kwisaho bice ajafayo ninge joshe mekuba numanya mshija wa mane basekuba nafa uri kumanyonka George Tibeesigwa former bishop kandi wabiriho bishop wa Ankole Diocese namakuru gobusasi na munonga Church of Uganda ijo tukafegwaho mu Catholic Church hati na no gubambe wa Church of Uganda yasakwa na agenda ubusasi bwe n'ubw'amana buzima George Tibeesigwa abaze kuba nafa kandi amakuru gahanubwa Dean wa St James Cathedral urikumanya Rev Canon Bobs nasani Mwesigye kandi wabase kuba nahanyamakuraga kandi aferire omwigwaro urikumanya Mayanja Memorial kandi yafera nyaka 58 bwanyuma yo gwana nonga n'engwara kumara nyaka ya diabetes engwara jo nibase kuba ni mutwara kandi anyaka 58 yonka y'obukuru guneza gwa mpara kandi obusasi bwe n'ubw'amani munonga nibagera ngunaza kuba nazikwa ruharo gahamugwa Canon na Edison abasa kandi ogunjashizya yes alikuzagwa mu Uganda gwa mpara Bishop Dr George Tibeesigwa akabasa kuba naza antebejo yobwa bishop ebiro bibiri byo ku 11 kandi 2027 mwabasa kuba naza kandi akahamugwa wabiri Archbishop wa Church of Uganda obwirobwe wayini beta Henry Rukorombi kandi aha muri Barham Municipality kandi omurimo akagutambuza mpaka aho 2010 taramazira obwire buringwa nkoku araho enyaka eshatu yonka abwa bishop aho yafera abari board member accord kandi cyatahiremu 2015 kandi yes Bishop George Tibeesigwa akakoraho nka consultant aho mukuza no mukutungura Uganda Christian University kandi yagaruka yakoraho nka advisor wa President Museveni aho mu Southwestern region. Yes, Kamba details. Retired Rev Dr. George Tibeesigwa, the former Bishop of Ankole Diocese, has died aged 78. His death was announced by the Dean of Ankole Diocese, then Mwesigye. We have received the sad news of passing of our Emeritus Bishop. However, we await the Bishop Associate Professor Bishop Sheldon Mwesigye to officially communicate the details and the program, he said. Tibeesigwa died on Wednesday afternoon while undergoing treatment at Mayanja Memorial Hospital, where he had been admitted since the beginning of this week. He had been diagnosed with dementia. Tibeesigwa served as the first bishop of Ankole Diocese from 2007 until July 2010. He succeeded retired Bishop Elisha Kyamugambi. At the time of election, Tibeesigwa was serving as a principal of Barham University College in Kabale. Tibeesigwa was the first principal to be appointed to Bishop Barhum University, a Kabale-based constituent college of Uganda Christian University. His election came to some as a surprise after the House of Bishops had rejected Dr. Rev Wilberforce Kamukama and his brother Rev Dr. Grace Karamura, then nominated to replace Elisha Kyamugambi, who was about to retire. He took over after Bishop William Magambo was appointed the caretaker by the Most Reverend Henry Rukorombi, the then Archbishop of Uganda. This was consecrated in Mbarara on 2nd September 2007, together with the Reverend John M. Gessen, an American priest, a canonical resident in North Uganda Diocese. He was among the eminent clergy and individuals who tremendously contributed to the transformation of Uganda Christian University. Others in the category include Reverend Canon Yokania Bitashoborokire, retired late Reverend Dr. Livingstone Mparanyi Nkoyoyo, retired Reverend Dr. Elisha Kyamugambi, late Professor Enoch Karukare, retired Reverend Henry Rukorombi, late Professor Emmanuel Mutebire, Justice Bat Katwe, Professor Jose Gwachana Bibangamba, and Reverend Canon Gereshom Kamondo, among others. Dr. Tibeesigwa has been the coordinator of the North Ankole Diocese University project. He was the advisor on community welfare and development issues, a senior presidential advisor on Southwestern Uganda, chairman of the board of the Coalition for Health Promotion and Social Development, HEPS Uganda, a non-governmental organization NGO that promotes the health of socio-economic rights. Mayanja Memorial Foundation, East Africa Tea and Church of Uganda Province Building Committee, and Chancellor Bishop Barhum University. He held a Doctor of Ministry from the Asian Center. He held a Doctor of Ministry from the Asian Center of Theology Studies and Mission United University of Asia, Master of Divinity University College of Emmanuel and St. Chad, a Bachelor of Arts, Theology and Psychology from the University of Saskatchewan, a Bachelor of Theology. Ejo ni bice binabasa kubagambiraho kandi reka mbagambire mukace aho umurimi ogwitu ogwa amakuru goni mabi kandi twagakira so no kurinda Bishop oriho Sheldon Mwesigwa akabasa kubana natha communication kandi oguyagwa Mayanja kandi ogwa akakora nka Bishop wakana kandi akabagiriho 2007 kusaye 2010 akazaho bwanyuma yo kujangwa bakanga abaye bajyabo kutaho abaye nwenda kuri pressinga na Bishop wabariho Elisha Kyamugambi kandi hakani henda kuzaho Rev Dr uri bafoska mukama ningashi brother weye Dr Grace Karamura abaye benzere ngo barondemu bajangwa reka tuteke hogu ubwo bakamwihaho kandi kigezi aho yabaye n'umurimo gwenka principal kandi uwo mwe principal kubanza uba rahinduire bakakora Bishop abira jo muntu wamani kandi ajo muhamuzi wa president ariko kore mirimo minjo wamutira haka rukorombi niwe yabire amutire omucintecho akashoma munonga kandi yashoma masters aho mu divinity yija yashoma psychology na yagine mu degree psychology na theology kandi akashomera Asia yashomera aho mu Uganda ibitabona yone jamana munonga mwebare munonga bakora Ankole media kandi tubakundira kimwe mwebare kujikunda mukajikora the best of course ntonto tubakunda munonga kandi mwongere kureba ngo twakwatagana ikintu twashitwara omisho twatambuza western iteji ya za Rev maje abeshongozi banje nkaja kabwemo gwe n'umweshongozi kandi tukora naho munonga aho mwongere kwagira music ye majiro mweshongozi nankunda nura majiro mweshongozi tashi UG majiro mweshongozi Julius Wire abona aba gospel majiro mweshongozi Simon N majiro mweshongozi okumanyanka Isaac Enzamba kandi mhajire Nkore media subscribing nabeshongozi nibingi mhajire western yo na mhajire music yo Nkore ataizi twakunda munonga bakwendagura computers aho muri mbarara inamba zitu ziruhwaho 055 ina 22 mwenda 001 amasimu computers nubasa kwijaduka zitu nka spark accessories ikintu kibase kutambura omisho ntubakundira kimwe kandi bari kunda DM Swaga promoter mubare no kumuhindura the best promoter around the city best.
Selecta, kuluta ninga hale nina mani, noza kuchiriza ngo nina mani. Nina mani, noza kukakasa ngo nina mani.